in the old days, there was no light every single time. No light every single time. But these days, at 20 days, every single time I was back in the 20 days. Every single time my God is with me. Your light is better. Your light is unshakable. I got your light is better. Every people who made the light, we don't really care what they made it, but the God is better. God is the light. Every single time that the light opened, every single time the light showed it, every single time I got my light, my God is the lighter. Every single time the lighter. So on the start of the day, like before all this, I was just God. Then He made light day and night. He made animals. He made lights every single time. They made the light every single time. Hey, we got the light.